Hi everyone, we can continue exercise 15a. Now we can do question number 12 onwards. Given angle GHE is equal to angle DFE is equal to 90 degree, DH is equal to 8, DF is equal to 12, DG is equal to 3x minus 1 and DE is equal to 4x plus 2. Find the length of segments DG and DE. Given GHE and DFE is equal to 90 degree. So GHE is equal to 90 degree means GHE is equal to 90 degree means GHD also will be what 90 degree, and also given what DFE is equal to 90 degree. DFE is 90 degree means this also EFG also this will be 90 degree. Then given DH is equal to 8 centimeter, DH is equal to 8 centimeter. Then DF is equal to 12, DG is equal to 3x minus 1, DG, this total length is 3x minus 1 and DE is equal to 4x plus 2, DE this length is 4x plus 2. We want to calculate the length of DG and DE, DG and DE. DG means we want to find out 3x minus 1. DE is we want to find out 4x plus 2. So for that first we want to find out which one value of x. For that consider triangle DHG. Since these are 90 degree, consider triangle DHG. This triangle DHG and DFE, this triangle DFE. Given DHG is equal to DFE is equal to 90 degree and angle D is common for both the triangles. In this triangle D is the, this triangle also D is there. So D is common there. So we can say triangle DGH is similar to triangle DEF using AA postulate. Since these two triangles are similar, we can write DG divided by DE, DG divided by DE proportionality is equal to DH divided by DF is equal to GH divided by EF. First we can take this two, since we have 8 and 12 there. So DG divided by DE is equal to DH. We can take this. DH is given as 8. So 8 divided by DF is 12. So replace the DF as 12. DG is what? 3x minus 1 and DE is 4x plus 2. So DG 3x minus 1 and 4x plus 2 as DE is equal to 8 divided by 12. Cross multiply. 12 into, within brackets you should write 3x minus 1 is equal to, that 12 is common for both 3x and 1. Same way 8 is common for both 4x and 2. So 8 within brackets write 4x plus 2. Change the brackets. 12 into 3x is 36x minus 12 is equal to 8 4s are 32x plus 8 2s are 16. So 36 minus 32 is equal to 16. Then minus 12 will become plus 12. 36 minus 32, 4x is equal to 28. So x is equal to 28 divided by 4, 7 times. So x is equal to 7. We want to find the length of DG. DG is 3x minus 1. X we got it as 7. So 3 into 7 minus 1, 21 minus 1 is equal to 20. And DE is equal to 4x plus 2. X we got it as 7. So 4 into 7 plus 2. So 28 plus 2 is equal to 30. Next question number 13. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Given D is a point on BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. So, ADC is equal to angle BAC. This one BAC such that ADC is equal to BAC. So, BAC is this one. So, we can consider two triangles. Which two triangles we can consider? Given ADC is equal to BAC. So, we can consider that two triangles. Which these two triangles we can consider. That is, consider triangle ADC and BAC. These two are given equal. So, we can write ADC is equal to angle BAC given. In both the triangles, angle A is common, angle C is common there. In both the triangles, that is ADC and ABC, that angle C is common in both the triangles. So, we can write angle ADC is similar to triangle BAC. That two triangles are similar using AA postulate. Since these two are similar, we can write CA divided by proportionality. CA divided by CD is equal to CA divided by CD is equal to CB divided by CA. Cross multiply CA into CA is equal to CB into CD. CA into CA is CA square is equal to CB into CD. Thank you.